feeling overwhelmed by financial tasks while trying to keep up with everything else? You're not alone. These days, time is more precious than ever. But what if you could reclaim those lost hours while ensuring your finances are handled with precision? We're diving into essential outsourcing hacks that empower busy professionals to leverage financial planner virtual assistants for maximum efficiency. If you're ready to transform financial overwhelm into strategic advantage, you're in the right place. Let's unlock the power of smart outsourcing. Let's be real. Busy professionals are masters of multitasking, but financial administration often becomes a crippling bottleneck. Expense tracking, invoice management, reporting. These aren't just tasks. They're time-consuming distractions from high-impact work. This leads to stress, missed opportunities, and ultimately a less efficient workflow. Anecdotal evidence reveals that professionals often spend upwards of 20% of their time on tasks that could be outsourced. This is where strategic outsourcing becomes a game changer. Let's explore practical hacks for effectively utilizing a financial planner virtual assistant. Hack number 1: smart task prioritization and batching. Don't just delegate randomly. Identify recurring financial tasks and batch them. A VA can handle daily expense reconciliations, weekly invoice checks, and monthly report generation in dedicated blocks. This saves time and ensures consistent, organized output. Pro tip: use project management tools to create recurring task lists and deadlines, ensuring clear communication and accountability. Hack number 2: leverage specialized financial software expertise. Don't just hand over tasks, hand over expertise. A skilled financial planner will be proficient in financial software such as QuickBooks, Expensify, and Xero, among others. This eliminates the learning curve and ensures seamless integration with your existing systems. Pro tip: when hiring, prioritize VAs with certifications or proven experience in your industry's financial software. Hack number 3: implement real-time financial dashboards. Get instant insights without wading through spreadsheets. Request your VA to create real-time financial dashboards that track key performance indicators. This provides a snapshot of your financial health, allowing for proactive decision-making. Pro tip: tools like Google Data Studio or Tableau can be used to create custom dashboards, providing a visual representation of your financial data. Which professionals see the most dramatic improvements with these outsourcing hacks? High-growth entrepreneurs reclaim time to focus on scaling, not chasing invoices. Remote team leaders streamline financial management across dispersed teams. Consultants and freelancers manage multiple client accounts efficiently. Busy executives delegate financial minutiae to focus on strategic leadership. These professionals experience a significant boost in productivity and a reduction in stress. To maximize the benefits of these outsourcing hacks, establish clear communication channels. Use dedicated platforms for seamless communication. Create detailed standard operating procedures, SOPs. Ensure consistent task execution. Regularly review and optimize workflows. Adapt to evolving needs and technology. A final thought: outsourcing financial tasks isn't just about saving time, it's about strategic resource allocation. These hacks empower busy professionals to reclaim control, enhance efficiency, and achieve sustainable growth. If these outsourcing hacks resonated with you, engage with this video by liking and subscribing for more actionable strategies. Share your outsourcing experiences in the comments below. We're here to support your journey to streamline financial management. Stay tuned for more insights.
Remote support, real